Alright, so Dreamina has just launched Seedance 2.5 globally, and there are some pretty interesting upgrades with this new version. So this entire video you're seeing right now was created using Seedance 2.5 inside of Dreamina.
They told me I was born in the shadows, that kids from the streets don't make it. One free meal, one spark. That's all it took to change the game.
And the whole story is built around this character right over here that you can see on the screen, and I basically used my own character reference to keep him consistent throughout this video. So what I did was pretty simple. I upload the reference image for my character along with a few other references, and Seedance 2.5 from there generated pretty much everything for me, like, the different scenes, the story, the visual effects, the camera moments, all the little details that can make a final video feel like an actual cinematic piece. So yeah, today in this video I'm going to show you the exact reference images I use, because that's actually one of the most interesting parts of Seedance 2.5. So what you can do is you can upload up to 50 reference assets, like including images, videos, audios, using them, all of them together to guide your generation. So yeah, let me show you exactly how I created this video and how you can use Seedance 2.5 to its best in Dreamina. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so first of all, I've taken this character as my reference, of which I'll be creating a whole cinematic, stories. And yeah, these are the few prompts that I generated for just, creating my images, and I created those inside of Google Gemini. And if you want to go ahead and check out Seedance 2.5 inside of Dreamina AI, so the link would be down in the description. Do check it out. So yeah, first of all, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and go inside of the homepage of Dreamina AI. So this is the interface that is going to provide you. So we have a bit of trends right over here that are going on that you can go ahead and simply copy paste. Then we have few of the skills as well. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start with the images first of all. So for creating images, I'm going to go ahead and select AI image right over here. And then the next thing you can do is you can go ahead and select your model. For this, I'll be selecting the new latest and greatest image 5.0 Pro by Dream. And then after that, you can choose your aspect ratio, which would be 16:9 because it's a cinematic masterpiece. Then the resolution, you can select between 1.5K, 2K, and 4K as well. So yeah, that's really good. Then you can select, the number of images you want to generate and size and pixel of your images. So yeah, there are lots of options right over here, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and start by creating my first image right over here with the help of this prompt. I'm going to paste it right over here, and then simply need to go ahead and copy paste your image inside of Dreamina for its reference. And another cool thing about this is you can go ahead and basically mention your image inside of image 5.0 Pro as well, so that it gets a better reference of your image and it creates an accurate exact result that you're looking for, okay? And then after that, I'm going to simply click on generate. All right, so for that, it's going to go ahead and basically create me these kind of results, which you can see looks absolutely perfect, and it's in 2K quality. And then after that, we can go ahead and start creating our second image. So I'm gonna go ahead and simply copy my second prompt, come into Dreamina, paste it right over here again. I'm gonna mention my image in the beginning so that we get absolutely consistent face accuracy. I'm gonna click on submit. Okay, so for that, it's gonna go ahead and create me with this result, and take a look at how cinematic and how beautiful this looks. And the quality is literally insane. So similarly, I basically went ahead and generated all the rest of my images with the help of the prompts that I generated. So yeah, you guys, once your images are ready, so then you can simply go ahead and download all of your images one by one with the help of this download button right over here. Okay, so once all of your images are downloaded, so the next thing you need to do is you need to come back to the homepage of Dreamina, and now instead of AI image, you need to go ahead and go to the AI video section. And then now you can see we have the new model option, which is Dreamina Seedance 2.5, okay? And as soon as I'm gonna click on that, so now for the reference image, you can literally go ahead and select all of your images right over here that you downloaded with Dreamina AI and simply drag it to the reference section. And take a look at this, you guys. Now all of your 11 images are pasted over here as reference, and not only that, you can basically upload up to 50 images and it will do that absolutely perfectly, you guys, okay? And then after your image images are done. So now what you need to do is you need to make sure you select Omni Reference, because that's going to go ahead and create an entire cinematic masterpiece for you. It's going to merge all the scenes, create a story for you. So you need to make sure you select that. Aspect ratio would be 16:9, and then you can choose your resolution as 1080p as well. So yeah, that's really good. And after that, you can go ahead and select your duration. So I'm going to go ahead and select as 30 seconds because I uploaded 11 images. And then after that, you can go ahead and simply provide a little bit of instruction to Seedance 2.5, like what kind of video you're looking for. Like, it could be a total short brief. So I'll be providing this small brief to Dreamina, but if you don't want to do that, you can totally leave it as it is, okay? So I just write it over here: high intensity sports documentary teaser, lightning fast cuts, aggressive snap zooms. So this is what, kind of a style that I'm aiming for. And after that, you simply need to go ahead and click on generate. Okay, so it's only going to take around a minute or so to generate your video. So once it's done, then I'm going to show it to you guys. All right, you guys. So after a minute, our video would be ready. And let me show it to you guys how this video turned out. Like, just take a look at this, you guys.
They told me I was born in the shadows, that kids from the streets don't make it. One free meal, one spark. That's all it took to change the game. I didn't just practice. I bled for it, every single day. And when the world finally watched, they didn't just see a player, they saw a legend. Remember the name.
All right, so there you have it, guys. This is how very easily you can go ahead and create now, these kind of cinematic masterpiece inside of Dreamina with the help of the new latest and greatest Seedance 2.5. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. And if you want to go ahead and check out Seedance 2.5 exclusively inside of Dreamina, check in the first line of the description. The link would be down there. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.